Everyone is waiting for the day AI replaces millions of workers. But that day may never come, because something quieter has already begun. Your job is being divided, one task at a time. What if job replacement doesn't happen all at once? What if it happens so slowly that most people don't notice until it's already normal? If AI isn't replacing jobs, then what exactly is happening? Think about your own job. It isn't one thing, it's dozens of small tasks, like answer emails, research competitors, write reports, build presentations, analyze data, attend meetings. Now imagine AI starts doing just one of those. Nothing changes, then another, still nothing, then another, still nothing, until one day, you realize half your work no longer belongs to you. When Google studied how AI is actually being used across hundreds of occupations, they found something surprising. Most people weren't replacing entire jobs, they were replacing individual tasks. Instead of writing emails, AI drafts them. Instead of reading a 40-page report, AI summarizes it. Instead of hours of research, AI finds the answer in seconds. Each improvement feels tiny, but together, they completely change how work gets done. Companies don't wake up and fire everyone. They simply discover that one employee using AI can now do the work that once required several people. That changes hiring, promotions, junior roles, career paths. The office doesn't disappear. It quietly becomes smaller. Maybe AI won't replace your job overnight. Maybe it will replace one task today, another next month, another next year, until your job becomes an entirely different job. So maybe the real question isn't, will AI take your job? It's, how much of your job will still belong to you?